I surrendered for love today. Its essence encountered at dawn, luring the apathetic astray, seductive notes of tempting song. Tenderly it whispered my name, lest the heart lay there unmoved. Now I dream our fates the same, my heart exposed an open wound. Apprehension may speak for others, their passionate yearnings unknown, but for me a thunderbolt strikes deep within a heart of hardened stone. When aspirations move beyond dreams, and love resides and sets its spell, our reservations are placed, it seems, where compassionate hearts may dwell.